In TextPlay, you can create a custom dictionary where you put all the words that you think or notice that the AI can't understand or spell correctly. For example, it can be a name of a person or place, a subject-specific word, or something dialectal. You can create as many dictionaries as you want, but you can only have one dictionary active at a time beyond the dictionary you choose to make global. A global dictionary means that it's always active and is always used when you upload a new file. Only the team owner can make a dictionary global and add words to it. Do you want a dictionary that all members can add words to? You simply just make it active, but not global. Well, how do you create a custom dictionary? It's simple. You click on the three dots here and then Custom Dictionary. Here you click on Add New Dictionary. You choose a name and a language for the dictionary and decide if it should be active and global. To add a new word, you click on Add Phrase. Type your word under Phrase, and here under Sounds Like, you can type in what the word sounds like in your video file or your audio file. Click Enter to add words, and you can add multiple words here. A good thing to know is that you can't add a dictionary to an already uploaded file. The dictionaries that are active when you upload your file will be used for the transcript. If your team have a global dictionary, it will always be used. Although you can add a new word to a dictionary from the text editing view. You just simply click on Add to Dictionary, and that word will be included in the dictionary for the next upload. You can have two dictionaries in the same language, one that is global and one that is active. If you have both, the dictionaries are combined and the AI can include up to 1,000 words. For example, you can have 600 words in the global dictionary and 400 words in another active one. In the transcription, both the dictionaries will be used.